Microsoft Word allows us to use the calculate feature. So in the calculate feature, we might have equations, it could be as complex as you want, or tables, and we might want to calculate values. First of all, to accomplish this, you have to go to your quick access toolbar, click on the ellipse, drop down, then you go to more commands, the more commands option, and this opens up your Word options. The tool we're looking for, we'll have to go and look for the commands not in the ribbon. And when the commands not in the ribbon are shown, we scroll down to calculate, and this is ordered in alphabetical order. So it's ordered alphabetically. So we'll click on the calculate, then we'll click the add button, which adds the calculate feature to our quick access toolbar. So now let's click OK. And in our quick access toolbar, calculate, the formula calculate is now active. So to let it return results, I first have to highlight the equation in question and then click on the calculate button. And on your status bar at the bottom, you see the result. So here the results are 206. So this is the result for that calculation. Let me go to the next equation. I click calculate, and that turns 25. 4 to the power 2 turns out to be 16. So that's how to use the calculator for the equations. In tables, we can just drag across and we'll get a summation. So this one turns out to 43,000. Or we can drag vertically. Sorry. Let me Control Z that. I think I did something. So now let me set the whole column and click calculate, and the summation is 22,296. So that's how to use the calculate feature in Word. If you want to remove the calculate button, you go back to the drop down on the quick access toolbar, more commands. Then in the quick access toolbar section, you click on calculate, and then you remove it from the quick access toolbar. So that's how to use the calculator function.